Get ready for this. Cranberry sauce. I know, you guys are like, what? It's super easy. None of that stuff where you have to stand by the stove and stir it and make sure it doesn't splatter all over the place. I'm totally not into that kind of stuff. All you need are cranberries, brown sugar, white sugar, cinnamon, a tiny bit of what's it called? It's a holiday, right? Woo! Gingerbread flavored spiced rum, a whiskey that tastes like birthday cake. Basically, it tastes like vanilla. This recipe is super old, from November 1991. I graduated in 92, so figure that one out. Quite a many years ago. And it's from Bon Appetit. So how could you go wrong? It's bourbon cranberry sauce. So let's do this. Cranberry sauce. Yum. Look at those. Oh my gosh. I love cranberry sauce. I know, I'm a weirdo, right? Most people don't. So you see this little guy here? We don't want to have him. He's all like wrinkly, right? We don't want him. He's wrinkly. And I think, I'm seeing if there's any other ones that don't look good. I believe that is it. I'm looking at the other ones. Oh, wait. Oh, one more little fella. Almost escaped us. See that? And then we have this one, guys. See him? He doesn't look so good either. So the rest of these look, wait, one more, just one more. Look at that. Yep. Okay, so the rest of these look pretty good. And I am just going to rinse them off. I have a fancy thing here, you see? Very nice, right? And don't they look pretty? And that will be a perfect little lid for my cranberries. Don't they look pretty? Okay, so that's about about 2.5 cups, a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon. So that's 1/4. Just a little bit of that hot stuff. This is actually from an Ethiopian spice called Berbere. I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, it's really super spicy and delicious. So I digress. So let's focus, right? And here we go. Let's do a little bit of, a lot of sugar. So we have 1/2 cup here. Okay. And then I'm going to put another 1/2 cup. Alrighty. That's about a scant 1/2 cup, right? And then I'm going to put just a little bit of my, about a 1/4 cup of my brown sugar there. Alrighty. I'm just going to stir it up here like this, okay? And I know a lot of recipes use orange juice. Like, I don't have orange juice. I don't buy orange juice. So why would I buy orange juice at the holidays? I don't know. It just kind of seems stupid to me. So I'm not using orange juice. One thing I forgot to mention is you probably want to put this on a baking sheet just in case it happens to overflow, because you don't want to mess in your oven. I'm just going to put this on top of here like so. I'm going to push it down just a little bit there. Alrighty. About halfway through, I'm just going to stir it one time. Little stuff is going. Look at that. Our cranberries. They look very yummy. Uh-huh. And look at that. I didn't put any liquid in it, but look how nice. It's all that sugar turns into liquid. Put that little parchment thing back on right here and press down just a little bit there. So just wanted to remind you to make sure that you set your alarm again, or your timer on your kitchen, on your stove. Because if you're like me, I just almost forgot that. The only reason why I saw it was because I happened to look up and see that. Well, not even look up, like you kind of, it's like almost eye level, but not quite. It's a little lower. It's like a little kid kind of height. Anyway, so make sure that you set that for 30 more minutes. It's really delicious. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now, don't worry if it looks a little liquidy. It's actually going to really gel up really nicely. And all these cranberries, like, I like a little bit of the cranberries like as berries. Like, you know, I don't want to have like this pureed kind of stuff. I don't like that stuff. It's too much of nothing. I lost or broke, I don't know, whatever happened to my quarter cup. Anyway, so I want a quarter cup total of alcohol, okay? So when I say alcohol, it needs to be something that tastes good. All right, guys. So I'm using my gingerbread spice Captain Morgan's. I'm going to use about, yeah. And then I am going to use a little tiny bit of the birthday whiskey. This is the same people that make like that peanut butter stuff. Mind you, I do not like that peanut butter one. Not good at all, my opinion. Anyway, good luck if you like it. I mean, that's your thing, right? Not mine. Stir this up in here. Alrighty. And then this is going to cool. And as it cools, guys, this is going to get nice and firm up. Okay? It's going to become like jelly-like. You can tell it's already starting to like kind of thicken there, because cranberries have pectin naturally, so you don't need to add anything to them. Hey, look at that. That looks really yummy. Look at this, guys. Super yummy looking. I mean, that just looks really yummy, right? I mean, look at the viscosity of that. Oh my gosh. And look how much we have. That's just crazy. Look at that. That looks absolutely divine. Now I'm gonna taste my cranberry sauce. Let's see how it is. Oh, it smells really good. So, you can taste this tart. It's really nice. And you can taste that gingerbread and a little bit of the gingerbread and a little bit of the vanilla from the whiskey and also from the spice rum. You can taste a little bit of that. And then you can taste the cranberries, evidently. And you can also taste a little bit of that sweet, right? It's really good. I think, wow, yum. And I might just sit here and eat the whole thing. Tastes like real cranberry sauce. Like really delicious. So you really taste the cranberry and you have like this, like it's sweet, but it's not too sweet. It still has that really nice tart to it. So it will make really nice tarts. In addition to, of course, making delicious cranberry sauce on your Thanksgiving table. Or, I mean, with cranberry sauce like this, why wouldn't you just eat cranberry sauce? Like, just for the heck of it. You could put it on your yogurt. You could put it really anywhere you want. You could put it on top of cake or muffins or in, oh my gosh, in a coffee cake. That would be really super yummy. So many different ways of doing this, but this is my favorite, one of my favorites, I'll say. I also have a mulled wine cranberry sauce, which I might do. I don't know. I'm going to see. One of my favorites, though, the bourbon one, really good. Very delicious. Highly recommend it. And till then, crayon on or have a very nice day.